that's right really. If it's talking about your future, the both of you, when it is partnership, diba? Yung partnership, if he thinks that you are partner, she thinks that you are partner and you are not the other person, yun na, may na, fiancé na yan. Maybe your elder person should go to you. Yes, that's it. He need to come. He need to come. And the question is, will he be seen in the screen? Yun talaga. Will he be seen in the screen or will be hiding? Yun lang. So that's it. I like my background here. Fiancé in marriage after divorce. Oh my goodness. Yun. That's why I don't like that divorce thing. I want to, if like that, it's better not to marry, because it's a waste of time. It's better getting to know more and more and more to that person, so that you know already that it will end up into divorce. Better not. Most of the reason why divorce is because like wake up what I said last time about the woman is so busy working 16 hours a day, and of course she doesn't have time for his partner already, because one day is 24 hours, and if she's working 16 hours, how much more left? Where's the family time of that? Maybe wala nang family time, no more family time, so she's focusing on the working and paying bills. It's not also good actually, diba? Fiancé tapos mag-marriage tapos mag-divorce, huwag na lang, it's wasting money only. It's better. That is why they said it is better for live in together first. Retired and go married. Yes, that's it really. Retired and go married. Work, save and go married. Yun kasi nangyayari sa one of the kakilala ko dito, si Yud. She got 1 month pa lang, 1 year, not naman, 1 year pa lang siya sa US, tapos yun ang work niya, 16 hours a day. Siguro napagod na si lalaki kasi nga busy, because you have to give time for family time. Although you don't have a kids, but the both of you, diba, the both of you, you are not in the other country, in the western country, just to work to have a future in the Philippines. Balance it. Like, of course, 8 hours of work. Kaya before you going to married, you have to talk about it, guys, about the work, because whether you like it or not, you have to work. Kasi nga, that is very important in our life, no? To have income, diba, sis Wish? So kung retired, like retired person na and go for like that, okay lang yon, kasi may every monthly meron naman sila. Pira na naman tayo, no? Nakakasad lang. I'm so sad only to know na, oh my God, nag-divorce sila. It's because she works 16 hours. Because that's sa US kasi yan siya eh. Because they're short of nurses in the US. So that is why most of the mga CNA, certified nursing, mga ganyan, they work 16 hours. So yun. And of course, we are very hardworking. Filipinos are very hardworking. So that is why. And then the conversion. When we look about the conversion, ang laki-laki. So and that is why it motivated us to work and work. But you have to, if ever you have a husband, no, you have you have to talk about it. Kasi nga, what is the money if you have so much money, but then the relationship is no more na. What? You cannot be happy also if like that. You must be balancing ba. Magbalancing kayo, ha. Huwag kayo patrabahuin ninyo yung babae dyan at saka sige nagtrabaho. Uy, nangyayari yan. Totoo yan, Wishi. Maraming mga lalaki na mag-asawa sila ng Pilipina, tapos dalhin nila doon sa kanila, tapos papagtrabahuin. Siya na ang bubuhay. Ganoon. So that is why important talaga mag-talking, communicate it very well. Para hindi tayo maging ganyan. Kasi nga, partnership ba o tagabayad ng bills?